Mrs. Anderson ceramic pie weights bake empty pie shells, known as blind baking, without them shrinking, bubbling or buckling. Made from natural, food-safe ceramic stoneware, heat-resistant to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, includes convenient storage container. Individual beads are easy to place and arrange as needed, effectively weighs down pie dough to keep bubbles from forming and transfers heat evenly. Blind bake pie crust for banana cream and chocolate cream pie, lemon meringue, strawberry rhubarb pie, banoffee pie, and more. Easy to use, great for any size frozen and homemade pie crust. Wipe clean with a dry cloth or hand wash in warm, soapy water. Dry thoroughly before storing. Mrs. Anderson ceramic pie weights prevent empty pie shells from shrinking, bubbling and buckling during the baking process. Baking empty pie shells or blind baking couldn't be easier. Whether using frozen pie crust or perfecting homemade pie crust from scratch, they weigh down the bottom of the pie dough to help reduce shrinking and keep air bubbles from forming. It's a useful addition to baking accessories. The individual beads are easy to place and arrange as needed for any pie size. Heat transfers evenly so crusts bake to a perfect golden brown. Blind bake pie crust, cool and fill for classics like coconut cream pie, banana cream and chocolate cream pie, lemon meringue, strawberry rhubarb pie, banoffee pie, and more. Made from natural, food-safe ceramic stoneware to be strong, durable and reusable. Heat-resistant to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Includes convenient storage container. Wipe clean with a dry cloth or hand wash in warm, soapy water. Allow them to air dry thoroughly before storing. Brought to you by HIC Harold Import Co. Top reviews from the United States. Works as intended, but hard to get back into the box. People keep coming over to my house and asking what this plastic box of rocks is lol. I would recommend washing before using. The only downside is that it is a plastic box, so you have to figure out something else to do with the weights as soon as you dump them out of the pie. I just poured them on a dish towel until they were cool enough to rinse. Be careful of dropping them down the garbage disposal. They for the life of me will not fit back into the box though. They have to be perfectly aligned to fit and I am not going to go in and do that. I just taped the box shut to hold them in there.